Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Stag Stuff. This is a very short video, but one that I hope is going to be useful if you get a horrible noise after you have changed your fan belt and alternator belt, particularly if it's the alternator belt. So I have literally recently changed the belts because they were wearing thin. I was getting a squealing sound as I started the car, but then I got this awful sound. It wasn't a squealing sound. I'm thinking it didn't sound like the belt, but I thought, well, I'm just going to take the belts off, have a look at them, see if I can see something that isn't right in the wear of the belt. I'm thinking maybe because the belts could have been stored, like kinked, for a while. Let me just show you what I mean. Where are we now? So here we go. Yeah. So when you get yourself a belt like this, I mean, this part of it just here had it sort of gone hard and therefore wasn't revolving when it's going sort of round and round and round. But I think I have found what the problem was, because like I say, it wasn't a squealing sound like you would expect if it was a belt. So I'm just going to take it underneath and I'll show you what I've found. Okay, so welcome to the underside of Mellow Yellow, and of course on the alternator it should spin nice and freely like this. Now when I was adjusting the tightness on the alternator, getting the tension on the belt, what I hadn't recognised was that if I pushed this locator fully up, just try, in fact I've got to drop the alternator back down again to be able to do this. Let's bring it down. If I push that all the way up, we are then going to have, can you see that? Can you hear that? That sound. And that's exactly what was happening. What I'd stupidly done is I thought, oh great, I've got all this extra play up here, and I thought, well, if I bring this up, this allows me to get extra tension. And so I just did that, not thinking that I was going to be getting in the way. So if you find that you get a terrible sound when you have adjusted your belt, just bring this further down so that you're then clear, and then that'll run smoothly without any sound. Fortunately, I haven't done any damage. You can actually just see a tiny, can you see that tiny little bit of brightness just there where it was just touching? It was literally just touching, but oh gosh, the sound was awful. Okay, will she start without the horrendous noise? I genuinely haven't tried it yet, so I don't know. Let's just find out. Right, tick, 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 tick. Choke. And... oh, yes! Success! The soundtrack we love to hear. Yes! Success! Doesn't happen very often for me, as you all know. So as we listen to that gorgeous tick over sound that only a Stag can deliver, I hope you've enjoyed watching today's short but very sweet Stag stuff, and I hope you stay safe, stay well, and many thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click on the like and subscribe buttons. And if you click on the bell, YouTube will be good enough to even notify you when we post new videos.